Today we're working on a 2014 Isuzu NPR 3.0 diesel. I was having an issue for the P0335 crankshaft position sensor malfunction, and I wanted to give you guys a quick video on what I did to solve the issue. Now, of course, the first things first, you want to make sure you check your wiring, make sure you have your signal voltage coming to the connector. Well, in this case, everything like that was good on my side, but I was having an issue with the sensor not reading. So watching live data on my scanner, I noticed that the desired RPM was around 688 RPM, but it was on the live data, it was showing as the motor was turning over, it was like bouncing around between 120 and so forth. So first thing I noticed, I was like, well, let's go ahead and order a sensor. We installed a new sensor, same exact problem. I was scratching my head trying to figure out what's going on, and through about 4 or 5 different sensors later, I came to realize this was the issue I was having. So this is the crankshaft position sensor, and as you'll notice, it's got a pretty long head on it. So I watched a video saying you need to clean the surface of the engine with sandpaper. Well, I did do that. I cleaned the area really good. It's right down here for all of you wondering. It's a little dark down there, but it's just right down there. Pretty easy to get to. Not too bad. So I did clean the engine block, got it seated, got it mounted, just like that. Still wouldn't start. I was having an issue where the RPMs was just showing all over the place. Come to find out by accident, I had my wife come out. She was starting it, and I pushed on the head of the sensor about right here, and it started. To my surprise, the live data was showing good. As soon as I took my finger off of it, it died. There was just ever so slight movement on this side of the sensor that it was just so microscopic that it did not read correctly. So what I did, it's not a correct fix, but what I did to fix this issue is get a flat washer about the size of a quarter, put it right here. The end of it goes somewhere right here. When I tighten that bolt down, that pulled the sensor where I had a little bit of play from this side, pulled it up real close, voila, fixed the problem. To prove it, I will show you through starting it. And yes, you can start the vehicle with the cab up. Runs great. P0335 was the code. If you've done all the steps, checked your voltage, you've cleaned the bore, you're still having problems, try the washer trick. Saved me a lot of headache. I had to figure out what was going on. I thought maybe it was internal damage by the gear not reading correctly. Maybe it was missing teeth, whatever. Nope. In this case, the sensor just had to be pushed up closer to the engine. Hope this video helps somebody. If you have any questions, post down in the comments.